Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we want to see if the vintage Smith & Wesson Model 100s can beat the beef. What do you think, Mrs. D? Fascinating.
What?
Do you think that the vintage Smith & Wesson Model 100s can beat the beef?
I reckon that the beef will open the cups. I don't know how to say it otherwise because it just sounds wrong and it makes no sense.
Can I be honest? I think you may be wrong. Because typical of a lot of American handcuffs is have very tight keyway, which is not something that the beef likes. I can't even get a hold of that double lock. Not even a little bit. Yeah, I'm just going to see where that double lock actually sits. Okay, it sits there. Nope, can't get the double lock. The Smith & Wesson vintage Model 100s have in fact beaten the beef. That's all from us. Right, actually, no, that's not all from us. That is now beef 12, cuffs 4.
Da-da-da!
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. Oh, no.